Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. If you're a Microsoft Office user, Microsoft has announced that one of its apps that's been there for a long time is going to be removed in October of 2026. So, of course, we have Word, PowerPoint, and Excel are probably the three most popular apps of the Microsoft Office suite. Now, one publisher will be going away. I've used Publisher in the past for my tech duties. I would actually do my ads with Publisher because it has some interesting tools and templates. But let's face it, I've also noticed that a lot of ads could be done in the same way through Word, for example. So I guess Microsoft is not only looking at how it's not necessarily that popular, but also the fact that, well, you can do a lot of what we do in Publisher in another app like Word. So basically, it is going to retire and stop updating this Publisher app in the near future. Now, what if you are using it and you have tons of things you want to keep? What's the next step? Well, the best step for you is to actually go to save your documents, but you'll save as, and in the save as options, you will have the option to actually save those ads in a PDF form. So you simply go and open the save as type, and here you will have the way to save it in the PDF format in the list. So just go down. Here's PDF. And this will mean that your PDF, your document, will keep all of its formatting and will be as a PDF file. So this is the best way to save it because it really keeps the full formatting of your Publisher documents. If you save it in other options, like save it in a Word format, for example, you might actually lose some of the formatting. So that's why a PDF will be the best option. So Publisher going away in October of 2026. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.